My name is Elisha Bixler, and I own a bee removal business. I started beekeeping because I have 3 children and I wanted to provide honey for them. When people see how I make a living, they think I'm crazy. I started with a couple of hives in my backyard, and then I started getting calls from friends that they had a bee issue. Okay, great, I have some availability today. Would you like me to come by? Working alongside the bees, it can be intense. It's noisy, they're buzzing, they're surrounding you. But for me, it puts me in a calm state. It's an incredible feeling, and I can't get enough of it. I have my bee removal business and honey operation, but most people know me for my social media content. When I started my social media channels, I really wanted to educate people about the importance of honeybees. Once I started putting videos up, people went crazy for them, and it went viral. This makes me so happy. No matter where they are, I'll do anything to save them. Isn't this amazing? I love being able to spread awareness about how important honeybees are, and I think people are catching on. I just got stung on my face. I come across all different kinds of situations. I'm getting stung, dirty, I'm covered in honey, but I wouldn't have it any other way.